Hey, it's Jeffrey. The Spring Festival is here. It can get freezing cold here in Shaanxi. So let's warm ourselves up with a hot steaming bowl of tasty Yangrou Paomo, pita bread soaked in lamb soup. Today I will teach you how to make this delicious dish, and after watching the video, you will be able to do it too. Get Paomo, let's do it. To make the Yangrou Paomo, we of course need flour, potato starch vermicelli, Judas ears, green onions, garlic shoots, cilantro, and of course sweetened garlic. But first, let's start to make some moi with the flour. I'm already getting it all up. I broke a sweat, but the breads are now almost ready, and it's time to put them into the baker. Oh, the bread is already steaming and it smells delicious. Let's take a look. Turn it around. Let's dig into our hot steaming bowl of the Yangrou Paomo, and if it tastes as good as it smells, then we're gonna be in for a treat.